Morning, everyone. My name is Pastor Ronnie, and I'm married to Miss Mary Chris, my wife, and I have now 4 kids. Our ministry here in Iram started with the children. So, through the feeding ministry, then we started to have house-to-house Bible studies, and at 2010, we started to gather as a mission church. Mostly, we minister to the native people here in the mountain. So since then, I can see the hand of God working and guiding us in the ministry. And we started to gather under the tree. And now, as you see, God provided a building, and the people are growing just not just in numbers, but also spiritually. So what we do is we feed, we teach, we sing song, and we praying. So the feeding ministry has a big impact, especially for the kids who are growing up. So before we have our kids that we are teaching, but now they are the one who are now helping to teach, to reach, and to bring this new generation of kids to the Lord. Before they are just students, but now they are now the teachers of our feeding ministry. Just like we have a those young people that are now involved in their feeding ministry, and they are now used by God. We have now more than 10 of our young people who are now are able to be going out every Saturday, but we have already one of our fruits that are now pastoring to a church here in the Philippines. So the Lord truly is, giving us the wisdom, and of course, leading us where God can able to use us. And we have these different ministries where we could able to reach people, and how the Lord is using us to reach more people for the Lord. Continue to pray for the feeding ministry here, and the ministry that the Lord entrusted unto us. As of now, the feeding ministry has stopped due to lack of funds. We want to continue to do that, so there are a lot more young people that will be reached out to God. Also, please pray for my family's needs, good health, my children needs for their schooling, our daily needs, and also provision for the ministry's needs. And continue to pray for more open doors for the ministry. So thank you once again, Bethany Baptist Church. Thank you for your prayers, for your support, and thank you for being always there for us. May the Lord find us faithful. Thank you.